Okay, welcome to our last section of guided notes with measurement conversion before you have your independent work. All right, conversions between a system. Measurement conversions can be between measurement systems. For example, inches to centimeters, liters to quarts, pounds to grams. So we can go ahead and go from one measurement system to another. So represent the conversion with the unit rate, then cancel the units and multiply. Or like we've been doing, let's go ahead and do proportions because we know how to set those up. Those are familiar to us, so that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to do the two we do's, and then you're going to do the you do's, and then that way we know that we know what we're doing, at which point you will then do the independent work where you will create, for the Google Classroom, I'll go ahead and create the one charts for the rest of them because it's easier that way. If you're in the classroom, you're going to be creating the one charts on your own. Up here on the top is where they're giving you the conversion chart. So you'll need to reference that. So please pay attention on the last guided note video that we did and this guided note video so that way you know where you're pulling your information from. Actually, it's going to be more the last one because we referenced those different charts. This one, actually, it's all in the word problem. So, if you have any questions on the independent work, check out that section, that second guided notes video, and it tells you where to put the chart information and where to put the information you got from the situation. Okay, let's go ahead and move forward. Joan is 4 feet 2 inches tall. There are 2.5 centimeters in 1 inch. What is Joan's height in centimeters? Okay, so we're looking at inches to centimeters. And the reason we picked that is because it says there are 2.54 centimeters, 2.54 centimeters in 1 inch. Now, the one thing we do know is there are 12 inches for every 1 foot. And so we need to convert right here, feet. So 4 times 12 is 48, plus these 2 inches, 48, 49, 50. She is 50 inches tall, and we need to figure out how many centimeters that is. So what we need to do is cross multiply 50 inches times 2.54 centimeters, and that's going to give us 127 centimeters. So our answer here, what is Joan's height in centimeters? It's 120 centimeters. Okay? Let's go ahead and do number 10. So if for some reason, like you didn't know there were 12 inches per every foot, that will be on your reference chart that is located with this lesson in the Google Classroom. It's another link. So you want to go ahead and reference that if you weren't sure. And that's something where you should be able to do that mental math and know that 4 times 12 is 48. Then we need to add those other 2 inches to make it that 50 inches total. All right, so number 10. A bag of flour weighs 5 pounds. There are 435.5 grams in 1 pound. How many grams are in a flour? Grams of flour are in the bag. Okay, so we have pounds and we have grams. Let's see, it tells us there are 435.5 grams down here, 435.5 grams in 1 pound. And it says I have a bag of flour that weighs 5 pounds. I need to know how many grams that is going to be. So we're just going to cross multiply 435.5 times 5. Again, if we had a different number here besides a 1, we would divide, and we don't. So we just have 2,177.5 grams are located in 5 pounds of flour. And that's all you're going to be doing. You're pretty much, this is your unit rate, your centimeters, because it has a unit of 1 inch. And you're just going to cross multiply to get that answer right over there. If you have any questions, let me know. Other than that, that's pretty much what you're going to be doing. Again, if you need to reference your star chart, that's located in a link in the Google Classroom. So you have access to that. If you have any questions, let me know. Other than that, you just click on here, type in your answers, and you just go at it.